Security should never be limited by space. Meet the Aratek BA5300, our compact, AI-powered terminal built for smarter access control. It starts with a 5-inch form factor, purpose-built to fit where space is tight. Ideal for narrow surfaces like door frames and glass partitions, the BA5300 installs easily where larger devices can't. Just mount, plug in, and protect. But it's not just about fitting in, it's about performing at speed. Powered by AI, the BA5300 delivers quick, reliable recognition, even in high-traffic environments. Of course, access control isn't one size fits all. Whether it's face, fingerprint, barcode, or contactless card, the BA5300 adapts to your security policies and user needs. And no matter where it's deployed, you can count on it to perform. With IP65 protection, the BA5300 stands up to rain, dust, and daily use indoors or out. When it's time to integrate or scale, the BA5300 is ready. Powered by Android 14 and a robust SDK, the BA5300 is easy to integrate, customize, and scale across your systems. Compact, smart, powerful, the Aratek BA5300 delivers secure access, anywhere you need it. Visit aratek.co to learn more.